Good morning students. Today's topic is adjectives for classes 2nd to 4th. Adjectives describing words. Read the following sentences. Peter is a fat boy. What kind of boy? She has a black dog. Which color? Hari gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? So here you can see that the highlighted words, they are describing the noun. That Peter is a fat boy. She has a black dog. The color of dog. The kind of boy, tall, short, fat. And Hari gave me 5 mangoes. So here is the description. In sentence 1, the word fat tells us what kind of boy Peter is. It describes Peter. In sentence 2, the word black tells us what color the dog has. It describes the dog. In sentence 3, the word 5 tells us about the number of mangoes. Therefore, a word used with noun to describe or point the person, animal, place, thing, or to tell the number or quantity is called an adjective. All describing words are adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. First, adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, adjective of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjective. First, adjective of quality. It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. Example, he is an honest man. The stick is long. The pencil is short. The rose is a beautiful flower. So here you can see that the highlighted words, they are giving the description of person or thing. That man is an honest man. That stick is very long in length. So they are giving the description. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. So with this statement of what kind, putting the question in the sentence, you can identify the adjective of quality. Adjectives of quantity. It shows how much of a thing is meant or how much we need. So, how much the quantity we need for something, that shows. Example, I ate some rice. So we cannot count the rice. Can we? No. It is not possible. So therefore we have used here some. He has little knowledge about this project. So here the knowledge is little. There is no milk in glass. There is enough water in the jug. So here both milk and water are the liquid. So we cannot count on fingers. So therefore we have used no and enough. So how can we identify in the sentence adjective of quantity? By answering the question how much. In this we can add any, much, little bit, so many, etc. Adjectives of number. It shows adjectives that are used to depict either the number of nouns or their position. So here we can count the numbers. In the previous slide, we saw that we cannot count the numbers, but in this adjective we can count. Example, the hand has 5 fingers. So in our hand we can count the 5 fingers. that we have 5. Sunday is the first day of the week. We can see and we can count that Sunday is the first day of the week. December is the last month of the year. So when we are writing, when we are counting, we can recognize, we can identify that December is the last month of the year. It doesn't change. So how can we identify? By questioning how many. Demonstrative adjectives. It identifies a noun or pronoun by expressing its position as near or far. So in this adjective we can identify the sentences by its position. For example, that lady looks worried. So we can identify, we can point out that that lady looks worried. This plate is hot. Now this contains for the near position and that is for the far position. These flowers smell nice. Again, these, the location is near. Those are migrating birds. Those for the far position. So that, this, these, those, they are demonstrative adjectives. They can be identified by its position and they can be answered as which. So here we have some exercises. Exercise 1. Identify the adjectives from the following sentences and write it down. Rani has a yellow frock. There are 30 boys in our class. Peter is a rich man. Those boys are naughty. This food is very tasty. I ate some rice. So in these sentences you have to identify the adjectives. What kind of adjectives in the sentences are used. Exercise 2. Answer the following questions. Define adjectives. Write the kinds of adjectives. Define adjectives of number with examples. Under which kind of adjective that and this is used. So you have to answer these following questions. Thank you.